Embark on an unforgettable journey to Bali without stretching your wallet. This comprehensive guide offers practical tips and insights to help you experience the best of the island of the gods affordably. Budget-friendly accommodations, homestays and guest houses. Experience authentic Balinese hospitality in areas like Ubud, Canggu, and Seminyak. Prices start at approximately $20 per night, often including breakfast and scenic views. Hostels and surf camps, ideal for solo travelers or those looking to socialize. These options offer affordable stays with communal vibes. Villa rentals. For groups, renting a villa can be cost-effective, providing shared spaces and amenities. Savor local cuisine warungs. These family-run eateries serve traditional dishes like nasi goreng and mie goreng for under $3. Street food. Explore night markets such as Gianyar and Kuta for affordable and delicious local snacks. Local markets. Purchase fresh fruits and snacks at markets like Ubud Market for budget-friendly options. Affordable transportation. Scooter rentals. Renting a scooter for around $5 per day offers flexibility and is a popular choice among travelers. Public transport. Utilize BEMAS, minivans, and public buses for economical travel across the island. Ride-hailing apps. Services like Gojek and Grab provide affordable and convenient transportation options. Free and low-cost activities. Beaches. Relax on beautiful beaches like Kuta, Seminyak, and Jimbaran without any entry fees. SCTI temples. Visit iconic temples such as Tanah Lot and Uluwatu for a small entrance fee. Bali expert guide rice terraces and waterfalls. Explore the scenic Tagalalang rice terraces and waterfalls like Tejanungan, often requiring only a nominal fee. Local markets. Stroll through markets in Ubud and Sukawati to experience local culture and crafts. Optimal travel time. Shoulder seasons. Traveling during April, June and September, November offers pleasant weather, fewer crowds, and lower prices. Jet setting with Gen off-season benefits. Visiting during the rainy season, November, March, can lead to significant savings on accommodations and flights, with the added bonus of lush landscapes. Adelaide Now. Money-saving tips. Bargaining. Haggling is customary in markets. Negotiate respectfully to get the best deals. Local SIM cards. Purchase a local SIM for affordable internet access and to use ride-hailing apps efficiently. Business Insider India. Avoid tourist traps. Research and opt for less commercialized experiences to avoid overpriced attractions. Travel insurance. Invest in travel insurance to safeguard against unexpected expenses. By embracing local experiences, opting for budget accommodations, and exploring the island's natural beauty, you can enjoy a memorable Balinese adventure without overspending.